Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Confused about how to log out of Messenger or switch accounts easily? Today I'll show you how to switch accounts and log out of Messenger step by step. Step 1. Open Messenger menu. Open the Messenger app and tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. This gives you access to account settings and options. Step 2. Access Profile section. Tap your name profile at the top of the screen. This is where you manage multiple accounts. Step 3. Add another account, tap Log into another account to continue. Enter login details for the account you want to switch to. Before we continue, tap Subscribe to keep your tech game strong with Preyo Phonie's step-by-step guides. Step 4. Switch between accounts. Once added, you can easily switch between accounts anytime. Just select the account you want without logging out repeatedly. Step 5. Logout method. If you want to log out completely, go to your phone's home screen. Press and hold the Messenger app icon to see options. Step 6. Uninstall the app. Tap Remove or Uninstall app to log out from your device. This clears your login session from Messenger. Step 7. Reinstall Messenger. Open the App Store or Play Store and reinstall Messenger. This allows you to start fresh with login options. Step 8. Log in again. Open Messenger after reinstalling the app. Choose an existing account or log in with a new one. And that's it. Now you know how to log out and switch accounts on Messenger bisuhulat. Manage multiple accounts or reset your login anytime with ease. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart, practical tech tutorials every day.